Hey folks, we got a train coming through by the Hawaiian Railway Society. We got a train. 302 once again, not the U.S. Navy dude. Like Daniel just said that, but
I do not know why when they were going to roll crossing it looked like a big snake.
I know there is another one that
I do not have patrol cars, they have freight cars.
yes, I'm assuming they're doing this weird freight job today, but I really love filming here. So they're doing some sort of job, as you see. They have a box car instead of a freight car. Daniel has been questioning a lot about the cars lately, so I do not know why, but Daniel, that's the box car they got on the line. Isn't that cool?
They never had these cabooses.
I don't know. But isn't that cool, Daniel, that they're operating this?
Yeah,
It's amazing.
I know some they operate freight cars.
I know, this is very cool. That's what you get when you live right next to the train track. I live there like almost every day, and I get to catch like sometimes.
Yep.
I one time caught this like rare Union Pacific, like pulling a weird freight cars. So yeah, I even caught a mail train before, but this is in Hawaii. What's up?
Well,
Really
Dad,
cool.
So, you know that.
So guys, prepare. It's gonna honk its whistle again.
Well, you know the freight train?
I'll give you some news up if the train comes back. Don't worry, I'm gonna film it.
You know the. You know the.
And it will come
You
by
know the
again.
passenger train going.
Super sorry, dudes.
And freight train
It
going.
says
You
low
know
battery for
passenger
some reason, but
train go on their side and people in the go on their side. Well, this way goes on. Well, this guy goes on their his
Bro.
own while we pass through and he goes
oh
on.
yeah, that was the horn.
And he goes on his own side.
Well, that was the end of our video.
Well,
Bye,
he
folks.
goes